Welcome to PCB Reflections. We've been keeping you up to date as we continue to work on this BMW 750 Li. But what we have here is we're going to do a small demonstration for you guys. We have Opti Coat Pro. Opti Coat Pro is a 5-year ceramic coating. Okay? And we have our applicator pad that's included with the kit. It's got a nice strap. It allows the pad to stay attached to your hand and not walk off the paint and accidentally were to slip a glove and create some micro marring. So these are some pretty good applicator pads. Also we have here, included in each Opti Coat Pro kit. Now this particular car is getting an Opti Coat Pro Plus, which is a 7-year coating. We're going to lay down the Opti Coat Pro, which is the base layer, and then we top it with Plus. We also have our handy low nap included microfiber towel that comes with each kit that's designed to properly wipe off the coating and not induce micro marring. So we'll start with us just priming the pad. Okay, typically now this is the priming of it, so upon reapplication you don't quite put so much of the coating, you'll never get it off. And then at that point, let me zoom you down here so you can kind of see what we're doing here. We will then wipe the product on. And I'll bring you in here and show you what the product looks like as it's applied. And now this is a ceramic coating. It's going to cure 9 to 10 times harder than your factory clear coat. It's going to be hydrophobic. It's going to repel dirt particles, environmental fallout, rail dust, bird dropping, things like that. Now let me bring you in here. And as you can see there, you see how the coating is slightly hazing off. You see how it's evaporating into the surface. Now I have you sitting on a nice premium towel there so we don't scratch the finish. So at that point, after we've got most of it cured in, we'll then come through and just wipe off the high spots. These are called the high spots. These are the dark spots that can be left behind in a coating process. And at that point there, the car has received Opti Coat Pro. Now, Opti Coat Pro is not necessarily that easy of a job, guys. We just put in about 18 hours worth of work for me just to show you that 30-second clip, but you get the point. There was a lot of paint correction that was required prior to applying the coating. If you've got any questions, concerns, or anything like that, please reach out to me and let me know. The Opti Coat Pro Plus kit, if you're wondering, we're going to put Pro Plus over this. There's a 45-minute cure time after Pro is applied. There's 45 minutes there where it has to cure, and then we'll top with Opti Coat Pro Plus, which is similar to this application. It's a little tricky, but we've done plenty of them, so we're very familiar with it. But we'll then, at 45 minutes from now, top this with Pro Plus, and this will receive a 7-year coating. If you've got any questions about Opti Coat Pro, Opti Coat Pro Plus, or any of the other coatings that we offer, please reach out to us, and we'll do our best to help you however we can.